Hello everyone, welcome back to Radio 1 International and to the brand new episode of Favors. Today we are going to dive into a story that the internet just won't let it go. It's about Selena Gomez and Hailey Bieber. It all started in 2009, the beginning of a pop culture love story that would come to define an entire generation. Is Jelena. Yes, you heard it right. Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Young, famous and madly in love, they became the internet's royal couple. But as years passed, their on-again, off-again relationship began to crumble under the weight of fame, tours, and tabloids. By 2018, after nearly a decade of reunion and heartbreak, Selena and Justin split for good. And then, in what felt like a blink, Justin Bieber got engaged to Hailey Baldwin. To the world, it was too soon. Fans accused Hailey of stealing Justin's heart even before Selena's had even healed. But Hailey insisted, saying that she was never with Justin while he was with anyone else. In her words, it looked drastic, but it was right for us. Still, the internet didn't buy it, and the comparisons between Selena Gomez and Hailey Bieber starts from here. So what started as a love triangle became a war zone. Every lyric, every post, and every tweet was dissected like a crime scene. In 2019, Selena dropped Lose You to Love Me, a raw breakup anthem that fans believed was just about Justin. Hours later, Hailey posted a screenshot of a song titled I'll Kill You. Coincidence? Maybe. But the internet thought otherwise, and this is where the round one of the official feud begins. Now fast forward to 2023, where the so-called eyebrow incident took place. Selena posted a light-hearted video saying she accidentally laminated her eyebrows too much. Moments later, Kylie Jenner posted a FaceTime screenshot of her and Hailey Bieber zoomed in on their brows. The internet exploded. Fans accused Hailey and Kylie for mocking Selena, but both Kylie and Selena shut it down, calling it unnecessary drama. But still, the damage was done and the feud had gone viral again. And when you think it's over, another spark lights the fire. A resurfaced clip of Hailey gagging when Taylor Swift's name was mentioned reignited the fandom flame. Selena jumped to her best friend's defense, writing, "So sorry, my best friend is and continues to be one of the best in the game." Then in 2025, the drama hit a new level. Hailey, in a Wall Street Journal interview, said she doesn't feel competitive with people she isn't inspired by. Fans immediately linked this with Selena and her beauty brand, Rare Beauty. Selena posted, then deleted a story telling fans to leave the girl alone, but adding a cryptic line about relevance and intelligence. And just like that, the internet had its next headline. Believe it or not, these two women had tried to end this narrative. In 2022, Selena and Hailey posed together at the Academy Museum Gala, one photo that nearly broke the internet. Hailey appeared on Call Her Daddy the same year, saying, "It's all love and respect between us." And when fans went too far, sending Hailey death threats, Selena herself stepped in, demanding kindness. But peace online? That's a myth. In 2025, they both have unfollowed each other, and there is a speculation going on among the fans that the truce had been cracked. So, is it a friendship, rivalry, or just internet fantasy? Whatever it is, the world cannot stop watching. So that's it for today, and if you like the tea, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for more chaos under the spotlight.